You're now watching Showbiz News Updates. New video of John Lloyd Cruz as dishwasher elicits negative reactions from the netizens. John Lloyd Cruz is once again one of the talks of the town on social media. This after he was seen washing the dishes and having a conversation with someone. Some netizens aired their negative reactions because of the video. It can be seen that the former One More Chance star was smiling and talking to someone while doing the household chores. According to several netizens, John Lloyd is evidently living a happy and simple life that is away from the limelight. However, some social media users claim that the actor looks so desperate for a showbiz comeback after posting the video. Maraming salamat sa panonood, like and comment kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel na ito para ma-update kayo kung meron man akong bagong video.